Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. So I'm looking at these two Weber Spirit grills, the E-310 and the E-425. Both propane, both black. But what's the real difference?
Right. Well, the most obvious thing is the number of burners. The E-310 has 3, while the E-425 boasts 4. That translates to a bigger cooking surface, 360 square inches versus 428.
Okay, so more space for burgers. Is that the only difference?
Nope. The E-425 also has a sear zone with boost burners that give you 40% more searing power. So, if you're serious about getting that perfect crust on your steak, that's a big plus.
Searing is tempting. But is it worth the extra cost? The E-310 is $449.99, and the E-425 is $599. That's quite a jump.
It is, but consider this. They both have the Snapjet ignition, porcelain enameled cast iron grates, and stainless steel flavorizer bars. They're both built to last with cast aluminum cookboxes, and they both use the WeberWorks system so you can add all those cool snap-on accessories.
So, similar build quality, but the E-425 has more space and the sear zone. What about size? Is the E-425 much bigger?
It's a bit wider. The E-310 is 48.3 inches wide, whereas the E-425 is 51.8 inches. The depth and height are the same. It's slightly heavier too, 102.5 pounds compared to 98.1.
Okay, so it's not a huge difference. And they both have a 10-year warranty, right?
Yep, both have the same 10-year limited warranty. One thing to note, the E-310 has a few customer reviews already, averaging 3.8 stars, whereas the E-425 is brand new, so no reviews yet.
Good point. I guess it comes down to whether I really need the extra cooking space and that sear zone, and if I'm willing to pay extra for it. I might also want to wait to see some reviews on the E-425.
Exactly. If you're often cooking for a crowd, or you're a big steak fan, the E-425 might be worth it. Otherwise, the E-310 is a solid choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.